The oak is already present, so it's virgin oak. Welcome to Whisky.com, where fine spirits meet. My name is Horst Lüning. I'm the master taster of Whisky.com. And today we taste the Benromach Organic, vintage 2008, bottle 2014, 43% ABV. And the organic, that's the specialty of this bottle. And if you look at the card box, there is said in the back, our whiskey meets rigorous UK Soil Association standards for growing the ingredients, barley, distillation, maturation and bottling. Unique on launch in 2006, the organic is still one of a kind today. Well, I've seen several organic single malt whiskies, but not in a regular way. So they were mostly one-time publishings. Yeah, what do they say else? 1898, the Benromach distillery was founded 1898. It's located in the town of Forres. That's not far away in the north of Elgin, close to the railroad. And it lay silent for quite a while, and then the independent bottler Garner MacPhail, I tasted already several bottles of them here, bought the distillery because it's so close to their own location in Elgin, it's Elgin based, that they were able to, well, they're short distance. Benromach is into production for, well, more than 10-12 years, I think, now. And with the organic, they started in 2006. And the 10-year-old is well introduced into the market, and it's very slightly peated. So it's a little bit more complex than the rest of the Speyside whiskies, or most of the Speyside whiskies. And the 10-year-old, I find it, wonderfully different. What do they say? Our organic single malt whiskey isn't just made using the finest organic ingredients. Every step of its making is certified organic too. Our 3 distillers orchestrate every second of the distillation. There are no shortcuts to perfection. Blah. This new spirit goes to rest in virgin American oak cask. Here we have a fact. Virgin American oak. So these are the casks which are used for the filling with bourbon, or with a raw whiskey which will be after maturation called bourbon. So the same cask are used for this organic whiskey. They go in our traditional dunnage warehouses until we judge it has reached the peak of perfection. It retains the Benromach fingerprint of elegant fruitiness with a gorgeous hint of chocolate. Yeah, there's a small booklet, leaflet, that's too much, flyer in here. The same said with the 3 distillers. Tasting notes, here we go. Pour yourself a dram and notice the golden brown color imparted by virgin oak cask. This is 6 years old. It's quite dark for an American oak because it's absolutely first fill. What is typically called first fill in the Scotch whisky industry is prior used for bourbon. So it's the first fill in Scotland. And this one is virgin oak. It's first filled ever. Even the wood we use for maturation is intrinsic to making this beautifully balanced organic single malt whiskey, a world first when it was launched. Enjoy the delightful sweet and malty aroma without water. After a few inhalations, you may detect vanilla, toffee and banana influences. Enjoy the taste without water, roll it around your mouth and savor the creamy pepper and sweet fruit, particularly ripe bananas. Add a trickle of water and take it in the aroma with water, fresh and malty with darker, delicious hints of coffee and cocoa. You may smell some vanilla notes and citrus fruits, especially lemons. Some George's chili spice, tropical fruit flavors, smooth and long finish. Authentication. Yeah. Here we go on the bottle. 43% ABV. I think I said that. Casks, Virgin American oak, barley, Scottish organic barley. So it's local. It's from Scotland and not imported from the continent, which is done more and more often. Creamy pepper, sweet fruits, rich toffee, and dark hints of coffee and cocoa. So they've done a lot to the bottle. It's heavier, it's more value. So the whiskey appears brighter and more shiny in the bottle. The oak is already present, so it's virgin oak. Some coffee coming up. The light bitterness of coffee. Vanilla and toffee, not that much, no, but they are there. And I'm afraid no bananas. In the beginning quite weak, and then intense, peppery, ginger, strong. And then it's becoming sweeter, a hint of chocolate coming up, yeah. But the coffee is gone, so there's no bitterness in the aftertaste. The aftertaste is, well, a little bit spicy, a little bit fruity. More vanilla, more toffee. So 6 years in virgin oak. But I'm not sure if you're able to taste the organic. This is a kind of belief you have and a good feeling you have. But the virgin oak, this is something really special. And so organic means, well, it costs a few pounds, euros, dollars, whatever more as normal bottles that age. But, well, you have to decide if to go for an organic whiskey or not. There's more to come. Stay tuned and feel free to share